I've seen you save people. I've seen you almost die to protect them. Maybe you were a Viltrumite when you came to Earth, but you've changed. You were happy here.
Sure, I was happy for a time, but I'm loyal to Viltrum, not this pathetic excuse for a civilization.
What will you have after 500 years?
Forgive me, Dad. I still have you.
What I did on Earth, the pain, the destruction I caused was immeasurable. What I did to those people, what I did to my son, I deserve death. And yet, I think I miss my wife.